Hello everyone, this is Aya and today we're going to do unboxing for another Tonic Craft Kit. So let's get started. I just opened the box but I don't know what's inside. Okay, so let's see. Okay, let's see the stamp and the die. Ooh, okay, so we have this stamp set. I'm sorry it's sunny today and I'm so happy. Then we have, okay, this die and that die. Okay, so this is the stamp and the die. Let's see the papers. So this is called specialty paper. Here's like a metallic one. I love the color palette. Look to this glittery. I'm not sure if you can catch the light, the color, because it's really bright here. So beautiful. I love all the papers and the colors. Now let's see what's inside here. Okay, so again we have embossing powder. This is black, no, classic silver, pink carnation. I love these so much, these shakers, the stars, and this shape is a star, lilac plume. It's a confetti, sorry, yeah, it's a confetti. So cute. Then we have this Lenovo vintage drop. Oh, and it comes with this tag. Beautiful colors. I like all the color palette for this month. So we have a Novo Chalk Mousse, blue and a blue color. Oh, this is so beautiful. Water knife. So beautiful. Then this one, a Nuvo expanding mousse, add the texture, and this is 3D effect using a heat tool. Okay, that's a new. Oh no, it's the same. Okay, so this is chalk and this is just called expanding, and I love these colors. Okay, guys. Oh no, also there is a paper, silver service. Oh, okay. See what's inside. Glitter paper, metallic. I'm sorry, it's so sunny. Okay, so you know what? Let's go and do some fun and beautiful projects.